In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your newsletter to Mailchimp and test it all within just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. After you've accessed your dashboard, navigate over to the campaigns section. This is your starting point. It's where all your email campaigns are managed. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create Campaign. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Regular Email. This choice is ideal for a standard newsletter, allowing you plenty of flexibility with content. Now, let's move on to designing your newsletter. You have a couple of options here. You can choose a pre-designed template if you want something quick and easy, or if you have a specific vision for your newsletter, you can design your email from scratch. Selecting the option to design email will give you a blank canvas to work with. Once you've settled on a template or designed your own, it's time to customize your content. Mailchimp's interface is very intuitive with a drag and drop feature. This means you can easily add text, images, videos, and whatever else you think will engage your audience. Arrange your content in blocks, which helps keep everything organized and visually appealing. Images can be uploaded directly from your computer, or you can choose from Mailchimp's library if you need something specific. Next up is crafting a compelling subject line. This is crucial as it's your first impression in someone's inbox and you want it to be engaging enough to encourage them to open your email. After that, you'll need to specify the sender information by adding a from name and email address. Your recipients are more likely to open an email from a sender they recognize, so this small detail can make a big difference. Before you hit that send button, decide on a send time. Scheduling your email at a strategic time can increase your open rates. Once you've set a time, you're ready to move on to the testing phase. Testing is key before sending out your newsletter to all your subscribers. Click save and exit, then choose send test email. In the pop-up box, enter the email addresses of those who should receive the test version. You can send it to multiple addresses by separating them with commas. This step is essential to ensure everything looks perfect and functions as expected. Finally, after reviewing and being satisfied with how your test email looks, you're ready to send your newsletter to your full list. Simply click send and watch your newsletter reach your subscribers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to upload and test your newsletter in Mailchimp in under 5 minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in.